Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I bring to you Transformers Studio Series number 4, all about Ratchet, from the first Transformers movie from 2007. He comes with his buzzsaw as the accessory. Very detailed. I like the metallic paint they gave it. And a quick story. When this guy first came out, I kind of passed out on him. But over time, I'm like, man, I should have gotten him. So I went on eBay and bought him I found him for $30, and it was free shipping, and it's in good condition. So it was a win-win, you know. But yeah, let's get to articulation. His head could go 360 degrees. He has double jointed elbow. His hand could go 360. It could go, his whole hand could go 360 degrees. He bends at the knee, goes back. His foot could go 360 degrees. And I'm glad that I got him. Now, let's go to transformation. here we have Autobot Ratchet in this vehicle mode, and it looks amazing. I like the color they gave him. It really brings him to life with the metallic blue for the headlights. It brings him to life. You could put his buzzsaw right here into this peg, and yeah, but this is here I have Wheelie and Brains for a size comparison. But yeah, that was my review for Studio Series Autobot Ratchet. Like, comment, and subscribe.